For me? Thank you, Tam. Oh, thank you, Kai. Thank you. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Okay, very hot. That's yours? Hintay niya yung bike niya. He's waiting for his bike. Nothing! That's not the one! Ah, that's not the one! He's waiting his bike! What is that? Your bike?
Okay.
No. That's yours. That's your waiting, yeah? What is that? Bike. Oh. Naku ni si Lucas, alat na ubo mo na.
Cool. My mom.
What? Oh. Who's excited?
Oh no. No, I'm not like guys.
Excited siya to the guys yung bike? Oh, that's mine now.
Not mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not that much close, no? Go, Tatam. What happened? Okay, okay. Go. Slowly lang, Tam, ha? Go. You have a brake. Oh, use that brake. You have a brake. Bye. Slowly ka mag-brake. You have a brake. See? Brake. Told you. San? Bike. Sige na, slowly. See, you have a brake. Brake. Oh, see? Brake. Slowly brake. You like your bike? Because Adam, you don't have a shirt, son. So 2 days before Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. So today we're going to Wallis de Aldi. Going to Aldi. Me and my husband only, guys. So, Wallis very expensive. At least Aldi, not expensive, but not cheap, but cheaper. So the best thing here, if you want to come here in Australia, the good supermarket, they call it supermarket, is Aldi, because Wallis is very expensive. Coles, oh my god, very expensive also, guys. So Aldi, we are here, airport. Lang airplane. Airplane, guys, airplane. Helicopter. Airplane and helicopter. Duty na si Daddy. Daddy is a pilot. Captain pilot.
Every window shining bright, hearts are warm on winter nights. Hold this feeling, don't let go. This is everything we hope. Christmas, Christmas, here we are. Lights are dancing in the dark.
in Aldi, guys. So, 400 din yung ano namin.
160 something.
460, nearly 500. Grocery shopping for Christmas. And after this, we're going to, where are we going, husband?
Get the cake.
Get the cake. And that's it. Weather today is 31. Bunnings pa rin, guys.
Bunnings very important. The best shop.
We're going to my husband's favorite store, Bunnings. So after Bunnings, we're going to buy
Home, and then I'm back.
a home pa rin, guys. And then,
Okay.
yeah, because we have ice cream. Oh, 7-Eleven here. Coming. We're just here in the cake shop, guys. For picture. It's good for persons. How much this one? 60.
Right, can we get one white sugar and one fruit punch?
This one, strawberry. Eat. Strawberry tart, strawberry. How much, huh? What is you?
Probably $4.
It's 36 degrees here in Australia. Very hot, my god. In America, I think it's ice snow today or winter. Here in Australia, 36, guys. I will show you. It's now 34. The Ben Farm is in the Kmart. How many days before Christmas? No. Na. Go na si daddy ko. Oh, Christmas, guys. Look, Santa. That one, Dave, how much, Dave? That's ano lang.
Huh? No.
Come on.
What?
Come on na, Lucas. Lucas. Come on na, son. Go. Yung bata na to. Come on, Lucas. Come on.
Of course there's a unicorn.
I want the bigger car.
The big one, that is. The one that is sit.
Nah, not for him. What's that, Nick? What's that?
The one that like Darius before.
Nah. The girl's not worth that one. She's got hardly moved.
It's a bubble. It's a dinosaur bubble. Oh, got a unicorn marking the that.
12 bucks in the top.
No. But I'll try and decorate those trees I have on the front. Put them on there.
Yay.
Car again, car, Mr. Car.
Who's boring?
Purple girl.
Lucas, let's buy this.
No toys.
No, I like that.
No toys. Better clothes than toys.
No.
Oh, too many. No, not too much. No, clothes is good.
No, there's not.
I like clothes. Oh, Christmas red. $2. Sexy, guys. I want to buy apron. Red apron, red. That's we are in which one? This one? Kitchenware, I think, guys. Shopping si Mickey, oh. Mickey, oh.
$7.40 at the latest.
So ito yung binili natin kanina sa Kmart. This is $12, the small one. Okay. Christmas, guys. Sitting up na si Mr. Ang kamot lang si Dudong Mari. Christmas. English. We're doing, he's doing dizzy. Nahilo daw siya sa kakalibot ng Christmas. Not easy this one, yeah? Tricky, guys. Not, yeah. If malaki yung Christmas lights, hassle, but it's small lang maybe. If double, it's not easy. They just want to put like this. Yeah. Not easy, guys, to put this one. If you are master na, every year you're doing this, I think so. But if you are
Amateur.
but you are not amateur with this one. You do this one before.
Oh, I'm amateur. No comparison.
So we need to do this every year na lang, Daddy. So that
Too much work.
too much work. And you know that look the green, and then there's a light. I don't know. Tonight it have na ba this one? Solar na siya, guys. Solar. $12. I don't think so. $12 that one, Daddy. No, that's.
This one's not too
Later we will see. Si Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, guys, from Benfam. Merry Christmas. So how many hours before Christmas? So from Benfam, Merry Christmas, guys. Ayan, this is our Christmas tree. Merry Christmas, Santa. So Merry Christmas. Ayan. Lapit na talaga yung Christmas, guys. So 4 o'clock meron kaming konting simple na kainan, dinner. So yun mga pala, dito pala si Rusty. Hello! Say Merry Christmas to everybody. Merry Christmas, guys! From Rusty. The Benfam. Smelly na good naman si Rusty. Kaya nag-shower man si Rusty, guys. Ayan. So 4 o'clock we have a dinner. A simple celebration.
Go home.
Present! Hinintay nila yung mga regalo. The presents. That's the one they're waiting for. Not the food. That's the presents, guys. The opening gift. So, mamaya ang ka-Benfa, mag-update ko kayo mamaya kasi we're having a dinner around 4 o'clock. The time check is 2:32. So, yan, kahapon, gumawa pa na ako ng buko pandan. Yan. So, meron pa tayong buko pandan. We need to bring this one later on. So, mamaya ng ka-Benfa. So, kayo, ano yung mga handa nyo dyan sa pang Noche Buena? Alam ko, Philippines have always lechon. Here, lechon manok.
Mommy, I'm freezing.
Santa riding his bike. Santa riding his bike. Make you slim, son. Christmas. Okay. Not yet. Not pa si Adlo. Dayos. Say, 1, 2, 3, Merry Christmas. You need to be... You, Mickey, what happened? Done. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Hey!
The best thing is the Coke. You have to do that. Okay, Adam, you win. You share if you want with Adam. Lucas. Lucas, share.
Mr. Coke.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You slim na, son. You slim na, son. So, kilala.
Picture, what about the view? Look at
That is the view, oh. Want some?
Shall I take a part of the view?
Dinner, Christmas dinner, guys. Simple celebration
And it's delicious.
with the fam. Merry Christmas. How many hours?
9 hours and 25 million years.
Apa ka? Ano ba yung food? Just like dinner. Oh, you need to eat now because cold.
But I am full.
Here's our dinner, guys. Close. Oh, mango. Give me them.
I don't want to eat it.
Mango. Salad. Ah. Tobo, come on, we go. Ito yung ano namin, guys. Simple celebration of our dinner, Christmas.
And don't forget the present.
Potato.
Yeah, after cake.
Walang uso dito yung rice, salad, no rice. No rice. No rice. People here don't like rice. Sorry guys, no rice today.
I love rice though. Yeah. What is that? You always love rice sauce.
Rice on boy.
We don't have it here.
How long were you in Poland?
What do you mean how long? I was here. My sister here.
Potato, salad, pork. So potato kami dito guys, walang rice. No rice dito. No rice.
Yeah, no, that is not done eating.
You want bacha?
No, you're not hungry. Are you hungry or not?
I eat a lot of fruits.
God, Adam, are you
So
hungry?
walang uso dito yung
Are
rice.
you hungry still?
Look, see? No rice.
We should eat some more potatoes and meat.
Salad.
How, Lucas? Go play.
Potato.
Go play. No chocolate, no. Later, not now. You need to eat like this.
Sarap ng potato.
And only good boy who doesn't cry.
Salad.
Okay, go away. Go away. Spoil.
Wrapped in ribbons, laughing louder. Cookies baking, music high. Every hug feels just.
Yummy. What is pork?
A little milk.
Pork neck.
Yummy guys, pork neck.
I am pork belly and pork belly.
Yummy. Yeah.
Enough, bro.
Cheers after dinner. Moscato. Moscato this one? Yeah. Moscato guys. Cheers. Merry Christmas. Cheers later again.
Dad, Adam said he wants me to go in this hole.
For the moment, but not.
So ito na yung hinihintay nila ka Fam. Yung regalo. Yan.
Hold, yeah.
That's for me? Thank you, Tam.
You
Ano?
open.
Not for Mama. Oh, thank you, Kai. Thank you, King. Okay na. Opening the gift na, opening the gift. Uy, may ito asa ang kulang. Ba't siya Jaja, uy? Ba't siya ang Jaja? So who's the one who opened on it? Opening na.
One at a time.
How did I name them?
I got 50 bucks.
Oh.
I got crayon.
Yeah, Darius. Wow, guys. Unit sky. Oh! Crayon, guys. Okay, get.
Not you. Mommy, want to see?
Okay, yeah. Hey, what do you want to see, guys? Adam, what do you want to see today?
Thank you.
You, Kai. Careful, have money na ba nila? See? Guys, the rubbish, guys. Put here, have a bin lab. Bin, Adam, bin here, lab, bin.
Can I open this?
Put in the bin.
I got it.
Oh. Hey, what do you want to say? Who's the one who give that? Who give that one? Si mag-hug yan. Si Merry Christmas. Hug si Uncle. Si thank you. Hug si Uncle, uy. Si thank you. Merry Christmas, Uncle. Lucas. Hug Uncle si Merry Christmas. Lucas. Mag-thank you ka san? Si Uncle, uy. No, Uncle. Lucas. Uy, Mickey, the money. Hold that, give to daddy. Give daddy. Have the crayon. Yung hinintay nila guys, ang regalo. Yesterday pa that one, they're waiting for regalo. Oh my God! My God, guys, very cold! Australia changed weather again. Snow! It's winter. It's like it's winter.
Through Christmas night.
Merry Christmas, guys. Cheers. It's cold weather again here in Australia. Change again weather.
What? What's losers?
Say Merry Christmas! Si Bat Jaja also, guys. Si Jaja.
Lucas, go.
Go hug si Jaja, hug. Say Merry Christmas.
Take your chocolate.
Ad
Ready?
Wash your hands. Eat a little fruit. Wash your hands, come on. Merry Christmas, guys. Cheers. It's cold weather again here in Australia. Change again weather.
Huh? These look right. What? What's losers?
Merry